Oh, Christmas is over, the kids are back at school, and now I get to open up their presents. I picked up this Vegehome Jardin Pro from Costco. Looks like a fun little project for the kids, but they were more interested in playing their video games, so now Daddy gets to play with it. Let's be honest, I bought it for me. The Jardin Pro is just a small hydroponic grow kit. Oh, look at the lovely things you can grow. All right, let's dive in. Here's the Vegehome base, the reservoir, if you will. It looks like it's got a little agitator inside, or a pump of some sorts. And here is the top. Plug that in like so. The LED light bar. We have a little floaty water indicator. Oh, that's nice. These two little doodads, and they just pop in here. So you can have up to 8, 9 plants growing at a time. Ah, yes, these are clearly to fool the children when they come home into thinking that their little seeds are growing. Fooling the kids. That gives me an idea. Yes, you can buy these live lettuce heads from the grocery store. I'm going to pretend that these sprouted overnight and grew like this. They'll never know what happened. Now, here's some of the different plants that they give you. We've got oak leaf lettuce. Arugula. We've got some dill. That'll be nice. Spicy bush basil. And some pak choy. That must be like bok choy. And lastly, they've given us some kale. Ugh. Now, I've got a very special place to plant this kale, in the garbage. So they also provide you with these 2 bottles of vegetable growth hormones. It's a bottle of nitrogen and phosphorus. And the instructions say once per week, put a 1.5 milliliter dropper in to keep your plants lush and healthy. The assembly was actually pretty easy. Now I just have to figure out how the water's supposed to go in. I probably should have put the water in first and then put the top in, but you know, I like to do things backwards. And oh, it's got a watering hole. Oh yes, that's working very good, yes. Off with the top. Let's just do it the way I thought was a better idea. You know what I'm going to hear when somebody gets home? Why is the table all wet? What have you been doing? Let's plug this thing in. Just fish the plug down through the hole. Now I don't see any on or off switches, so I think you just gotta plug it in. Oh! Son of a... Okay, so this thing is very bright. I guess we are trying to grow plants. Inside of these boxes are these little grow sprout pluggy-in-y things. Boop. And doop and doop. Project Fool the Children. Devious. Okay, there we have it. A really simple and fun little beginner hydroponic kit. I think the kids are really going to get a kick out of this once we start growing things. And as the plants grow, this light reaches up taller and taller. It is a fun little project that maybe will get your kids interested in gardening. 3 days later. Okay, just wanted to show you a little update. This is after 3 days of growth. We've got ourselves some little sprouts. They're so cute. So this little floaty indicator thingy just follows the water level. And when it gets down to the fill mark, you just pop open the hole over here, there, and top up your water. And then, yeah, every week or so, you're supposed to add some more nutrients. So there we go. Maybe I'll post another update video later with some vegetables, some yummy vegetables. No, the kids weren't fooled by my live lettuce head. How do they get so smart these days? Unfortunately, this Vegehome model is not available on Amazon, only from Costco, but I'm sure there's 1,000 other options to choose from, and I'll put a good one in the link below. If you purchase it from me, it doesn't cost you any more money, but I'll get a small little kickback, a few pennies on the dollar. Happy growing. Hey guys, look, we grew lettuce.
No, we didn't. We just bought it from a store.
Oh, you're so smart.